How to use Canva to enhance images. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make your pictures better. Okay, so let's take this photo. You can see it's a bit pixelated. It's not very clear image. So I'm going to show you how to make it better. Okay, you're going to go down to apps. Canva actually has apps, and you're going to type in enhancer, and you will see that the enhancer app is there. Just be sure to check out the pro version. Does have all of the apps. The free version doesn't have everything, but we will leave a link down below for you to go check out the pro version. Okay, now you're going to go to choose file, and you're going to upload this image. Okay, let me just go to my quick access, and then you click on the image and it will upload here. Okay, then you are going to click enhance image, and it will enhance your image. Okay, and you're going to see the difference that this makes, not just with the smaller facial features, but the whole picture for you to use. Okay, and yeah, here we go. Okay, so then you click add to design, and just look at how much better that is. Much better. You can see my face is more clearer and the outlines are better. It's a lot less pixelated, and this is actually a photo that I will definitely use as a cover page or whatever you want to use it as. But yeah, amazing, eh? Cool. Please don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like, and then I'll join you guys next time.